Hi, I want to thank everyone for their comments on how the class is going so far. One comment was, we'd like to see more video of things, and so I thought, well, I was putting together this week's project, I'd take a little video and show you what kinds of problems I had. So the problem that my robot is having right now is you can see that one of the LEDs is on no matter which way I point it. I can point it over here and there's nothing over here, but if I do move my hand in front of the left sensor, that one seems to be working, but the right sensor is not. So we'll take a little look at the circuitry and see if we can figure out what's going on. Okay, let's take a little closer look at our circuitry using this camera. And if you look close, you can see that one LED is lit, even though there's nothing over here in front of the robot. But if I move my hand down in front of the robot, the other LED lights up. So we know that one of those is working and one is not. So the right hand LED is stuck on because apparently it thinks there's always something there. So first thing we're going to check is we're going to check through the resistors to make sure they're not shorted against each other in any way. I move the camera around a little bit. Looks okay. I don't see any problems there. And we can take a look at the front. Taking a closer look, I've seen that the problem is that these three wires are connected in the wrong places. They're supposed to be on pins 2, 3, and 4, and they're connected to 1, 2, and 3. So my bifocals weren't working quite right then. So I'm just going to take the pliers, pull them out one at a time, and move them over. Of course, I unplugged it before I did this. There we go. Okay, and we'll plug it back in. See if things work okay now. Seems to be okay. Now we've got everything put back together. Seems to be working okay. We can run a little test. We can sense with both the left and the right and both of them at the same time, and everything's working fine.